Bonjour everyone! Welcome to our quick and fun French lesson. Today, we're learning how to use the verb, which means to have, to talk about feelings and sensations in French. Let's dive right in. In French, instead of saying I am hungry, we say I have hunger. It sounds like this: I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Repeat after me. Great! Now let's put it into a simple sentence. I'm hungry. I want to eat a baguette. I'm thirsty. I want to drink some water. Try it with your favorite food or drink. Next, we used to talk about fear and drowsiness. For example, I'm scared. I'm sleepy. Here's how it sounds in a sentence. I'm scared of the dark. I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep. Now you try. What are you scared of? Or how do you feel before bedtime? We also used to talk about pain. Listen to these examples. J'ai mal à la tête. I have a headache. J'ai mal au dos. I have back pain. To make it a full sentence. J'ai mal à la tête, je dois me reposer. I have a headache. I need to rest. J'ai mal au dos, je vais m'allonger. I have back pain, I'm going to lie down. You can change or depending on where it hurts. What about you? Do you have any aches? To recap, we used to express hunger, thirst, fear, drowsiness, and pain. Practice these phrases. J'ai faim, j'ai soif, j'ai peur, j'ai sommeil, j'ai mal. Keep practicing and soon you'll sound just like a native French speaker. Merci beaucoup for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!